Now I'm making this video because I get comments saying installing on a stucco concrete wall doesn't seem safe. Is the TV going to fall out? Is the screws going to slip out of the concrete? Well, a couple things that you need to know. One, I highly suggest using the drill bit that's in the kit. Now tapcon screws sometimes comes with this drill bit, and they're brand new drill bits with the proper size for those size screws. If you use the wrong size drill bit and you're drilling into a concrete block, it may not work and the screw may slip out. Another thing is that if you use a dull drill bit, that's going to cause a lot of issues also. You want to use a new drill bit versus an old rusty dull drill bit, and that's going to cause issues where the tapcons are not going to bite into the concrete properly. And the third thing is, if you screw into stucco that is not on concrete and you're using tapcon screws or made for masonry concrete, that's going to cause issues also. So just because you have stucco doesn't mean there's concrete behind the stucco. In Florida, we have a lot of block homes because this is a hurricane area, and so our stucco is on concrete block usually. Now in other areas where it's not a hurricane area, you may have stucco and it may have wood back there. So in that case, you don't use tapcon screws. So when I title my videos stucco concrete, it means stucco with concrete behind it, versus just stucco that could be anything behind that. It could be wood or I don't know, vinyl, who knows? You know, whoever wants to spray stucco on their wall. But in this case, we're talking about concrete block. In my video, I use sealant in the hole. So once I pre-drilled the hole using the drill bit, then I use sealant inside that hole so it doesn't leak and helps grip better when you screw in the tapcon. And that's really going to create a great seal, so you don't have to worry about leaks, and a little bit extra security for that tapcon screw not to slip out. So let me go ahead and demo how strong 2 tapcon screws in the wall is. So I'm about 150, and this TV, I think this TV is probably like maybe 50 pounds. This is an old school LCD TV. So this is an arm mount. You don't want to try this. I'm doing this just to demo it because I feel confident in my work, but I don't recommend other people trying this because I'm not sure what kind of work you do or other installers do. So if you're testing out another installation someone else did, you may end up breaking your ass. Now it's time for a thumbnail pick. I gotta find the right snapshot. I'm having a really hard time grabbing that arm mount. Here's one. Oh no, I'm not gonna choose that one. I'm making a stupid looking face there, and I almost kicked my screen out. I think I'm gonna choose this one. Yeah, this is pretty strong. But yeah, just to show you, I'm grabbing the top and the bottom bar when I do this. It doesn't slip out, and that's with the TV. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in the tapcon screws, I'll leave a link in the video description below. And if you're interested in that tutorial how to install this TV on a stucco concrete block house, check out this link right here somewhere. Subscribe, hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. I just pulled my muscle. Oh, my quads hurt.